What, do you want to rock, paper, scissors for it? We don't have a choice. How does it feel being a sugar baby? Am I still a loser?
Yes.
Good morning, besties. Happy Saturday. I am having one of the worst breakouts of my life. She's kind of covered by concealer, but not really. But anyways, it's a good day because we are actually picking up our brand new iPhone, and I really contemplated for a long time whether or not I wanted to upgrade, but ultimately decided to. But I'll walk you through that once we actually get the iPhone. We have a very specific 15-minute window where we can pick up the phone, so I'm about to head out. So Kevin is currently post-call, and I told him he could just stay home and sleep, but I'm pretty sure somebody is even more excited than I am to see the new iPhone, so that's why he's coming with. It's also, I think, the last day of summer in Seattle, aka it's the last day where the temperature is going to be in the 70s, so we're just really trying to enjoy today and not do too much work because like starting next week it's pretty much like fall/winter, aka 50s and lots of rain. By the way, did finally get a new lens cap, which is now attached to a string on the camera because somebody thinks I'm about to lose it again.
Was it a good idea?
Maybe. It's kind of annoying though. It's kind of like obnoxious. Last time I said I would link the tripod and setup for you guys for the vlog setup that we use, but I completely forgot, so I'll do it for this one maybe. Oh, made it! Okay, there's like a really big line here, but pause this video and comment down below what color you think I'm gonna get, because I thought I was gonna get one color, but I decided to get another one. Do you know what color I'm getting?
Yeah.
What color? I really wanted to get the pink one, but they don't have it for the Pro. So no, it's only for the regular one. I remember like getting my iPhone 6s and it being like pink and so cute, and I was so ecstatic. And Kevin here has the iPhone 12. Should we tell them a funny story about the iPhone 12 and how
It wasn't supposed to be mine?
Yeah.
Should I use this one too? Should I put my info on it?
OMG, the mini's like actually so cute, and look at this pretty pale pink color. Honestly, I think the Pro Max might be a little bit too big, so I don't know about this generation, but I literally had a flip phone until high school, and I had to pretend that my iTouch was my iPhone because my mom wouldn't get me one. You know, millennial things. We got it!
It's a white one?
It's so pretty. I'm here for the Royce chocolate. I literally cannot live without Royce chocolate. I've been going through a box a day, and they're like $20 a box, so you do the math. Okay, we're trying new things. We've never had this before. We're like not usually very outdoorsy, but today we're doing the thing because it's literally the last day of summer. We don't have a choice.
Vitamin D.
Getting my vitamin D from the sun because
Not getting something from someone's son.
I love how you know that audio. Kevin is really amused
I want
by
that boat.
this boat's name.
Not at work 2. What happened to not at work 1?
Dang.
I mean, I'd compromising it this one.
Oh, you'll compromise?
Yeah, or even this one. Not at work.
Just got home, and it is in fact the weekend, which means that there's a new episode of my new favorite show. Kind of wasn't into it in the beginning, but like now I'm like totally into it.
𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹.
It's Kevin's favorite
It's
show of all time.
𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹. I don't even know his character's name. Oh, what's it called? Chief Hong. Chief Hong.
It's about a dentist.
It's like, you know, country vibes. I want to live in a town. Like, would you want to
Yeah, I
live
want to
in a
live in a little town and like win the lottery and not do anything. So the weekends is normally when I get the majority of the housework done because during the week, both Kevin and I have a pretty busy schedule. Y'all know I used to hate doing the dishes, but now I love doing it because we have an amazing dishwasher and it just makes the routine super easy. So I also need to actually run a load of laundry, and I thought it was the perfect time to show you my drops because this is what we use for dishwashing pods as well as our laundry pods. Now, drops is super cute. The packaging is adorable, and you'll be happy to find out that they're actually very green and good for the planet. So all of their packaging is actually 100% compostable. They're vegan and cruelty free, and they also use plant-based ingredients. And most importantly, they actually do clean your stuff very effective and works very well, which is why we love incorporating it into our cleaning routine. This is what one of the laundry detergent boxes looks like. It's super duper cute. And we're about halfway through with this one. This is what an individual pod looks like. And I have to admit that ever since I've been using drops, I definitely feel like I use much less detergent, because when I was using traditional laundry detergent, I had no idea how much I was actually pouring. So really important thing to know about these is that you actually throw them into the drum of the washer and not the tray. Right, we're gonna let this run. I need to show you our little drops collection here, but we have the laundry pods that are unscented. We also have the lavender and eucalyptus ones. They also have seasonal scents like orange blossom. I'm gonna unbox a new set of dishwashing pods because truly their packaging is super cute. And like I said, it is 100% compostable, and they also have carbon neutral shipping. So when you open it, there are 2 boxes here, and then there are little tear lines that you can separate the box from the packaging. So for the dishwashing pods, I also use 1 pod per cycle, and I feel like I used to never ever use my dishwasher because I felt like the dishes just weren't clean. Drops is so powerful that I don't even need to do the pre-wash really anymore. It actually even powers through stuck on food, which is kind of amazing, and all of our glassware looks sparkling clean. So to save us a little bit of money, Kevin and I actually have our drops on subscription because it saves you about 25%, and you can always pause it or skip it or swap the products that you want. We absolutely love our drops products. It's good for the planet, it's good for our stuff. I will leave their information linked in the description box below, and there will also be a code on the screen here if you want to use that, but don't forget to check it out. Okay, we're getting a little testimonial from Kev too, because although I do the majority of the chores, Kevin will definitely help out sometimes. What's your testimony?
It works pretty well, yeah. You know, I also like the smell of laundry is like super important, you know, when you do the smell test. And
I sometimes will just use the unscented ones, but Kev prefers, it's a lavender one, right?
I don't know, it just
like a chef's
like
kiss. Kevin has been obsessed with this game called Wingspan recently. What's the concept of it, babe?
You're a bird watcher.
Basically, you like rack up points on the
It's like an engine
scoreboard.
building game. Yeah. You're making like a habitat with all these different birds that you're collecting.
How do you feel about this game, babe?
It's a little bit confusing, but it's fun.
So far, here's the scoreboard.
15.
I'm purple, Kev's is green. I feel like it's like half luck though, you know? Like I feel like I got really lucky with my bird cards this time. Are you upset?
Not really. I have more birds.
Are you a sore loser?
No.
Am I a sore loser?
Yes.
Want to say that a little bit louder?
Yes.
Last couple minutes. Kevin was so sure he was gonna win the last round. Are you sad? I'm sorry, babe. You can have any food you want. I think we can bend the rules a little.
What do you mean? I don't need food.
Okay, what do you need?
I don't need food. I just need more space for eggs.
Okay.
What is this? Can't do math. 49, 56.
Did you go to Kumon as a kid, babe?
No, 55, 62, 70, 75. I didn't beat you by that much last time.
It's a close call, babe.
We both improved our score.
I like that mentality, babe.
Except we use a different scoring
Found
system from the end of the round, but good job, honey.
Yay,
I'm the proud of you.
Okay, friends, in my possession right now, I have the iPhone 13 Pro in silver, and right next to us, we also have the
iPhone 12
iPhone 12
in white. This is
silver?
Mickey's new phone.
Yeah, sure.
And
okay.
this is my new phone.
What, do you want to rock, paper, scissors for it?
Round. Okay. I'm gonna press rock.
Okay, we're gonna rock, paper, scissors for the new iPhone. Whoever, best out of 3?
One.
1?
Yeah.
Best out of 1? Okay.
I'm gonna choose rock.
Okay, so whoever loses takes the iPhone 12.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna choose rock.
No, we can play fair and square.
I'm
That's
gonna
fine.
choose rock.
We can play fair and square. Okay, ready? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Wait, okay. One more time. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors.
What is this? What is this?
You ready?
I'm gonna choose scissors.
You're gonna choose scissors? Okay. Is that reverse psychology? Like, are you actually...
I don't know, you tell me.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won! I got the iPhone! You can't have the new iPhone 2 years in a row, babe. Last year I got the iPhone 12. Honestly, I didn't think very much about it. Like I knew one of us was gonna have the 11 and the other one was gonna use the 12. And I don't know, maybe I was gonna use the 12, maybe I was gonna give Kevin the 12. I honestly hadn't decided yet, but when the box arrived, Kevin literally opened it and started syncing all of his stuff on it. Like you literally downloaded a software to convert Android stuff to iPhone stuff, and you were doing all this stuff, so I was like, all right, I guess it's not my phone.
Think about you made it till today. If you had not done it, maybe this would have been mine, and then you would have still had this one.
Oh, yeah. Even though I paid for both of these phones? How does it feel being a sugar baby?
No comment.
So this is my current phone that I have. It is the iPhone 11 in green. I kind of like the green. It like is a color of money, so it makes me feel very prosperous. You know, this phone will be passed down to Mama Rai, and then Mama Rai's phone will be passed on to Papa Rai. That's usually how the hierarchy goes. So if you look closely, you can actually see that the top camera, which is the wide angle lens, I believe, is kind of cracked. And as a content creator, it's a little bit important for me to have a good camera. And so that one reason alone was enough for me to upgrade to this new baby.
Do you want to do it?
Oh, it's all you. Fun fact, 𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹 is modeled after 𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹.
So what were the shortcomings of your current phone? What were you having trouble with? There's a few things that we wanted to get this phone with to kind of get over the old phone. So the camera, the back was not working. I think one of the other things was battery life was not very good. And then the other thing was you were running out of storage space. So this one we bought a 256 instead of a 128.
I honestly probably should have gotten the 512, but she's a little cheap.
$200 extra, and you can get like a USB flash drive with 128 for like $20.
Open sesame, do it.
Whoa, the camera bump is so big.
This is she. The camera bumps are like very prominent, as you can see. Oh, she's pretty. Kevin doesn't trust me.
I don't.
Okay. What? You want to take her out? Should we name her? What's her name? She seems like a Stella.
Fona. Well, look at the silver. Is it
oh my god, your fingerprints are all...
We've been not getting the Pros in the past, and they've been made out of like aluminum and plastic. This one, feel the heft.
Dang, she feels rich. Only happens once a year. Oh my god. We're terrified because we did order a case and screen protector, but they don't get here until tonight, so...
You want to turn it on? I don't know if I'm pressing the right button. Oh, there we go.
Is this like really cute, like cursive hello? I think that's supposed to pop up. Hello! Oh, wow, so cute. I'm into it. I'm honestly into it.
Is it doing it again in a different language?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's doing it in a different
Oh my god, it says hello.
Hello?
Can you read that?
What language? Oh.
𝘀cie𝗰𝗶𝗹, okay. Wow, that's like all of our languages. So what's really cool about this new iPhone is cinematic mode, which actually is for both the front camera and the back camera. And you can, it basically like auto focuses on the subject. And if you like turn and look at someone else, then it'll auto focus elsewhere.
Oh, really?
Which is really cool. Yeah. So there's that, and then there's also, you can adjust the aperture for the photos afterwards in post, which is also really cool. And, you know, back in the day, everyone was whipping out like big DSLRs, big vlog cameras in order to be able to create content. And now, you know, with TikTok and short form videos, most people shoot things on the iPhone. And so while this phone may not be a huge upgrade for people who are, you know, maybe just using your iPhone for like a traditional 9-to-5 job, it's a really, really big upgrade for content creators. Okay, I'm gonna set up my Face ID.
And if you think about it, like, you know, when we bought our camera setup is like what, $6,000, like including the lens. I mean, the iPhone is not a cheap device. It's like over $1,000, but it does a lot for that amount of money, right?
I feel like I should set up the Face ID when I look worse. Like right now I look pretty good, so it probably won't recognize me when I wake up in the mornings, you know? You
gotta do it with your, you know, when you wake up in bed, what position you're at. You don't want to Transfer all your photos? No.
So this is exactly what you did to me last year. While I was trying to film the review last year, Kevin was syncing all of his stuff and we had to wait for like a couple hours for the stuff to transfer.
That's because I didn't have an iPhone. This is easier. iPhone to iPhone transfer is easier.
The story of last year and all the things that went down.
We're still waiting for it to transfer. Miki has like 200 gigabytes of crap.
What?
All her TikTok drafts.
I have over 2,000 TikTok drafts, if anyone's wondering.
Stay tuned while we get the 13 Pro Max for Kevin next week.
What? Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully we will do a iPhone review / iOS 15 / what's in my iPhone video for you guys soon. So leave a comment down below if you're interested in saying that. I feel like Kevin's phone tour is actually way more exciting than mine is. Mine's just like junk.
I don't have that much stuff on my phone anymore.
You have like a lot of like charts, like
and stuff.
medical record systems.
Where is my phone?
Can you say the thing?
Okay. I can never remember. Try your best because your best is enough.
Sure.
Make time because you always have time.
Sure. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. I'm gonna do this.